Hello and welcome to Bexar Data Dive. You can see the URL for the site here at dive.cinow.info. We get the logo and some information about the tool itself, and then 3 cards here across the bottom to talk about the 3 different types of ways that you can explore data in Bexar Data Dive. So first is My Community, which is a way to get information about local geographies. Explore Data, which is a deeper dive into local data using data visualizations through mapping, trending, and comparison. And then finally, Tables and Downloads for access to downloadable data in machine-readable spreadsheet format. We will start by looking at the left menu here. You can get to each one of the tools by clicking on the tool on the left. You can also learn more about the tools, about the data that's available inside of Bexar Data Dive, report a bug that you might find, and then also to contact us. So we'll start with My Community. We click on that, it brings us into the My Community section. It tells us a little bit about the tool, and then we have a map looking at geographies that are selected, our community types. Here we're looking at SSAs. As you hover over them, you see that that label pops up. You can switch them in the community type selector to the right. So if we want to see zip codes, we can click on that and our zip codes will pop up for Bexar County. We can also get to geographies by selecting them in the tools across the top. So if I wanted to select a specific zip code, we can do that in the drop-down, or we have a search option up on the right. We can type it in and it'll give us the options that are available based on what we've typed in that box. Or the third option is that we can select on the map itself. So if I click on one of the zip codes, 78210, it brings us into the My Community section for this. We can see we have a little map that shows us the zip code, gives the name, and then a number of different indicators for that geography. So we can skip ahead to another section. So here we'll go ahead and go forward to the economic section. Brings us down and we can see the indicators that are populated. If there are indicators that we're still working on, it will tell us under each indicator, but if it's populated, it will give us the breakdowns for all population and race ethnicity breakdowns for each indicator where available. Here we can see the unemployed indicator at 5.6% and then the breakdowns for each race ethnicity. All data can be downloaded, either a download for an Excel or CSV, or the image of the graph itself can be downloaded, or we can go to About the Indicator, which will take you into the About the Data tool to tell us about that specific indicator. There's also at the very top of the page, if you want to download all the data within this My Community profile, at the top there is a Download All Data option as well.